From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
And a good Tuesday evening to you, State College. I hope you were able to enjoy the eclipse yesterday. I know I certainly did back in Lima, Ohio. It was pretty awesome to experience totality. But as we start off our day today, or this evening rather, so mostly sunny skies, quite a different story than what we had here in State College this time yesterday with mostly cloudy skies. It is about nice warm 73 degrees outside, but not too much of a wind out there. If we look at the 9-cam view across the entire Commonwealth, you can see that's pretty much the picture throughout the state this afternoon. Mostly clear skies, maybe just a few clouds around the state this afternoon. Your weather headlines, spring is finally here. We got some nice warm spring-like temperatures, like we saw 73 degrees here in State College. But I hope you're ready for some more April showers, some more rain. It's going to be quite wet to end this week. And then we got a slight cool down over this weekend, but it won't be too bad, just upper 50s to lower 60s. But speaking of that rain, here you can see a better picture of that rain with our precipitation chances here. Thursday being the best chance of precipitation, but really Wednesday to Friday is really when you can expect quite a bit of rain throughout each day. Your current conditions though this afternoon across the Commonwealth, 73 degrees in State College and mid to upper 70s across most of the state, with Philadelphia and Pittsburgh also sitting at 73 degrees and mostly cloudy. It says, there are a few clouds in the sky, but it is quite a bit sunny there as well, which you can see here on the satellite radar. We do have a few clouds on the satellite picture, but these are mostly high clouds, allowing for some streaks of sun to peek through, but no precipitation across the region. You have to go down farther south with this storm system up here that will be bringing us all of the rain later this week, especially on Thursday. Which if we go into a future tracker, you can see clouds continue to build up throughout the day today, and we might have to worry about a few scattered to isolated showers this evening and into the overnight. Otherwise, throughout tonight and into tomorrow, we really just have to deal with cloud cover and maybe isolated, like I said, isolated shower or two before Wednesday and Thursday, the next big system arrives, which we can see if we look at our pressure tracker here. It's this guy right down here. It's moving up across towards the west of us through the Great Lakes, and that will be responsible for bringing up a bunch of rain over the weekend. As it goes up to the north, we get some cooler air wrapping in behind it, but since it's April, it won't cool down too much, only just a few, like 10 degrees or so, so we'll see highs in the mid to upper 50s this weekend. But here's that system you can see on the future tracker Friday, Saturday. It's finally out by Saturday. And mostly clear skies. Might have to worry about a sprinkle or two Saturday night, Sunday night. Otherwise, just have to deal with mostly cloudy skies. And it's going to be quite a bit of rain, though, with this system, too, if we move on throughout the period. Really, Thursday and Friday is when we get the bulk of it. You can see almost an inch, actually over an inch in State College, and pretty much throughout State College westward and southeastward, where we can get those localized heavy amounts of rain. But bringing it back to tonight, we're forecasting a low of 55 degrees with probably cloudy skies. And then tomorrow, we are bringing it back up to 68 degrees with mostly cloudy skies. Can't rule out an isolated shower, especially tonight and into tomorrow. Otherwise, it's going to be mostly cloudy skies. If we take a look at our 6 to 10 day outlook from the Climate Prediction Center, you can see all of this red shading here, which is indicative of above average temperatures. So basically what we have this week, we're going to get copy and paste of for next week. Maybe not the showers, thankfully, but we are going to get quite a bit in terms of the warmer temperatures. You can see that if you look at our 7-day forecast, again, today, or rather tomorrow, 69 degrees, dropping a bit on Thursday with those showers moving in, and Friday into Saturday is when the temperatures drop down as that system moves out, putting in the cooler air from behind it. But the nice thing is on Saturday is that Mr. Sun will be back outside. We won't have too much cloud cover on Saturday rather. And then Sunday, the clouds come back in, but with those clouds, the temperatures start to climb back up. And we have probably cloudy skies really throughout Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday with temperatures sitting at 67, 68, and 69 degrees respectively for each of those 3 days. So certainly feeling like spring out here in State College for this week and into the next week. Well, for the Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Daniel Weaver. Enjoy your Tuesday evening.